Morning, everyone. All right, I'm in the back garden, and right behind me is the famous purple potted trellis, pole bean trellis that is not doing very. It's not very famous or purpley right now, is it? Right, but it's gonna be. So, and what's pretty cool this morning, actually, I came out here to plant bean seeds, and there are so many beans that have self-seeded from last year that have fell off the vines when I was letting them dry out, and they are just planted here. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing to just go ahead and use those instead of using seeds. There's the piggies over there. So I had so many bean seeds that have just gone ahead and just, you know, did what nature did, what God intended to do. They just kind of keep wanting to survive, and they're so famous. They just got to stick around. So there they are sprouting. They're already like 6-8 inches tall. So I am actually over here. I've started to dig them out carefully, and I am transplanting them in right now. So that's what I'm doing right now. So it's kind of fun. It's like instant Jack and the beanstalk seeds going on here. They're already so tall. So so I've kind of pre-dug the holes, and I am just using this this tool right here is for weeding. And oh, look how dirty it is. Yeah, garden stuff, right? Anyway, so that works really good to go ahead and dig all those out. So that's what I'm working on with all these beans already this morning. So we'll see what happens with the purple potted pole bean trellis. My magic beanstalks. Here we go. Purple potted pole magic beanstalks. Look at that. Magic beans right there. Didn't have to plant one seed. It filled up all 3 hog panels that I have there on both sides. Isn't that cool? And there's my shadow. Hi, shadow. Now I'm planting in between all the beans. I am planting peas with some seeds that I saved. I'm gonna do one on each side. Just popping them in. Wherever they land, that's where they go. So there you go. There's my jar of pea seeds I saved. They're going to go in between each of the beautiful purple potted pole beans to grow up along the posts or along the hog panel as well.